Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Mornings with Angela. So, what I'm going to talk to y'all guys about today is this awesome little restaurant that me and my sister found. They were posting on Facebook often, and every time we go to our page, we always see this coming down our feed. So we finally went on a hunt downtown Daegu area and finally found it. So that place was so amazing. Me and Tanya had some grilled cheese sandwiches with a little bit of meat inside, and it was really good actually. And they prepare it right in front of you, and the guy who's there, he speaks English and he's really nice. It's brand new opened. And after we finished, we did make a couple suggestions. Grilled cheese sandwiches, y'all know about that tomato soup. So we went ahead and suggested maybe they can add some tomato soup onto their menu because it would be bomb diggity. So Tanya went and tried them out. She tried the little sliders and it was really good. I would definitely go back again. They have a little basement as you guys saw, and I would definitely have like a little party or something there. They have alcohol, they got beer, and it's about to be my birthday soon, January 8th, y'all check it. I'm thinking maybe we can promote them a little bit more and have our birthday party, or my birthday party there. So maybe go there first, have a couple beers, have ourselves a little snack, and then head out and party. But I hope you guys really enjoyed this video because we really enjoyed eating and showing you guys how much we enjoyed eating it. And go check them out, guys. I'll try to include directions and the links on their Facebook page is down below. They have all the information on there as well. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.